Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram comments on iPhone. First you have to open your Instagram application, then go to that post comment section that you want to select that you just need to find that comment that you want to copy, like this one. For example, I'm going to copy this one. You can see there is no copy option in this pop-up section or in Instagram. So you can do one thing, that you can just take a screenshot of this comment section here you can see, and you can just tap on this screenshot and you can just save it here, and you can just go to your photos now, like this, done button here, save to photos, and here it is. So you just need to tap on this icon here to capture the text here. This is actually the AI tool on your Apple Intelligence, by Apple Intelligence on your Apple devices. You can tap on it and it will just highlight all the text on that image, and now from here you can just copy that comment from here. Just tap on it and here it is. So hold on that text here and you just need to slide the selection here, and you just need to select that comment from here and tap on copy button here, and you can see I have just copied that comment here. If I show you, I can just paste it here. Here you can see I have just pasted the comment as like this person. So that's how I can just easily copy a comment on Instagram. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.